Hello everyone, welcome in this video. If you wanted to fix this problem, just follow me step by step in this video. So let's start. So first guys, don't need to open your Emu application. Just go directly and open your settings of your phone. So here you will found many options. You will just go to apps option. You will find all the applications that you have now on your phone. You will search only for Emu. So you found Emu, open it, then scroll down until you found here storage. But here guys, be careful, don't click on clear data because it will delete all your data. Click just on clear cache as you see here on the bottom of the screen. Then you have to back and click also on force stop in the bottom of the screen. And right now you have to go to battery, allow it on optimized mode, and go back and go to permission, allow all of this permission, give them, and then go to your Play Store, check that your Emu is updated on the last version, then restart your phone. So that's it in this video guys. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.